Need to extract audio from a WebM recording? This workflow is useful when a browser recording or downloaded WebM needs to play as MP3. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open WebM to MP3 converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a WebM. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Use 192 or 256 kbps for music and less for speech. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a portable audio-only MP3. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Very large WebM files need enough browser memory. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.